Why do 80% of YouTubers quit before hitting 1,000 subscribers? Don't be one of them. Here's how to stay in the game and crush that goal. First, define your niche. Focus on what you love and what has an audience. Next, create high-quality content. Good lighting, sound, and visuals matter. Post consistently. 2 to 3 times a week keeps your audience engaged. Optimize video titles and descriptions with catchy, relevant keywords. Design eye-catching thumbnails that pop. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and build a community. Promote on social media using relevant hashtags. Collaborate with other YouTubers to reach new audiences. Use calls to action. Remind viewers to subscribe and tell them why. Run a contest or a giveaway to boost subscriptions. Analyze your performance with YouTube analytics and adapt. Finally, leverage trends to attract more viewers. Stay persistent and adaptable, and you'll be on your way to reaching that 1,000 subscriber goal. Let's make it happen.